Hello and welcome. Thanks for tuning in to the national debate. I'm Padmaja Joshi, and yes, the national debate is truly underway over who has managed to set the narrative. Even as Team India was getting ready for the final day of their deliberations, the government announced a special session of parliament, and on the day that the meeting was supposed to take place, a panel to discuss one nation, one election was constituted. Has the rug been pulled from under the feet of Team India, which pretty much had everyone talking about whether they are emerging as a substantive opposition to take on Narendra Modi? Has the narrative now been overtaken and set conclusively by the Narendra Modi government, and more importantly, has Team India, after its third meeting, managed to get their act together or not? Joining us on the national debate, R.P. Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, Abnichesh Awasthi, political analyst, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, Dr. Naval Kishore, national spokesperson of the RJD, here with us, along with Advocate Nikhil Jain, and senior journalist Sanjeev Srivastav. And to you, sir, I want to ask the first question, Mr. Srivastav. Do you think the narrative currently is being dominated by Narendra Modi because of the special session and one nation, one election, or Team India?
No, I think the game of narrative and hogging or getting the headline right has once again been managed better by the Modi government. So you are right, like you were saying in your intro, that we were expecting everybody to talk about the India Alliance meeting, the pros and cons of what's happening there, their difficulties, their challenges, their strengths, their strategy. But instead, since yesterday the headlines were about this special session being announced, and today the headline is about former President Mr. Kovind being the chair of this committee which will deliberate upon one nation, one election. So I think as far as the headline management is concerned, Mr. Modi and company scores trumps. But having said that, finally the election will be about more than just election management and headline management, sorry. So ultimately it will boil down to what is the mood of the country that time. Yes, one nation, one election will help Mr. Modi and BJP secure or perform better in state elections where they may be right now being seen as on defensive, because then Mr. Modi's persona will dominate the election. But I think the final and the crunch point in this forthcoming election will be, and that is a big if, whether India Alliance can get its act together and put up, if not in all, in a bulk of constituencies, one candidate against the BJP candidate. That will be more a deciding factor, apart from all the other issues of the time, the mood of the nation, how Mr. Modi's government is being seen, etc., etc.
But as things stand right now, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, to counter a big bang, one expected a big bang. And yet on Friday, when the third meeting of Team India concluded, did you see that big bang?
First of all, thanks very much, Padmaja. But, may I gently disagree with my good friend, the first one who spoke, Sanjeev, because left to me, I think headline management is managed by the people who write the headlines, to be honest with you. I mean, famously, we know there was an editor of a newspaper who was sacked because he decided he's not going to allow Narendra Modi to be part of the front page. So, things happen in parallel. Thousands of things are happening across the country, and it is the editors who are deciding what would go on the front page. So a left-leaning newspaper would decide a headline that is, I would say, more beneficial or useful for the left, or, likewise, like the right. So I don't think the BJP, well, you have the BJP spokesperson to answer that, whether they are into the business of headline management. They try to do that, but mostly it is a job of the editors and the newspapers. As far as the alliance itself is concerned, as to your question, is there something much substantive going to come out of it? I think the answer lies in the manifestos of these parties themselves. And I have said it before, and I say it again, there is no point having an alliance against Narendra Modi if you support each and every of his anti-national steps, which the alliance has done. To give you just one example, the repeal of farm laws. Clearly one of the biggest anti-national steps since the nation gained independence, and the entire opposition, this whole gamut of 26 parties, supported Narendra Modi in it. So what's the big step? We already know that every decision that the Prime Minister takes in national interest, the opposition opposes, and every decision that the Prime Minister takes against the national interest, the opposition supports. So I don't see a big bang to be
But in
honest.
terms of the message that both sides have put forward so far, the government is saying we are now on the verge of a major reform. That's the message as of Saturday evening that the Indian voter has. What is the contrasting message that Team India is giving me, the Indian voter, is my question to you, and which is more compelling?
So, I mean, as far as calling this a reform is concerned, well, I mean, the jury is still out because this, I would say, Mr. Singh might not like it, but this is yet again one of those things that the Congress initiated back in the 50s and 60s.
Correct.
And people have deliberated this over decades. And if it comes out, well, the jury is still out. I for
But
one, am
purely
also...
a strategy at face value, if you were to consider both.
Well, I'm still tilting towards having the state elections separately held from the central one. That's my personal view. There are pros and cons, and one can go into that, but that's not the discussion. As far as whether the opposition likes it or not, well, you have Uddhav Thackeray, or I think Aditya, who's come out and already said that this is election management and some hanky-panky is going on. I mean, as if blaming the EVMs wasn't bad enough, now they're going to blame, the elections coming together as one of the reasons why Narendra Modi will again be the Prime Minister in 2024.
Okay, RP Singh, you just tried to do a little bit of spin doctoring, of taking the focus away from Team India. People are not entirely convinced for two reasons. One, the Shiv Sena has said, listen, multiple panels have already looked at one nation, one election. Suddenly, why have you woken up? Earlier, you suddenly woke up to UCC. Now, suddenly, you have woken up to one nation, one election. Why?
Well, Padmaja, thank you for calling me here. First, let's understand, we never woke up to UCC suddenly. I mean, it's part of the agenda of the BJP since long. I mean, since ages.
Sure, but you still remembered it in 2023.
Give me a second. I mean, I've been the party member since very inception, and that very first day UCC was part of it. So it's not that it has erupted all of a sudden. One nation, one election. Also, Prime Minister has been speaking about this ongoingly. I mean, every
Since 2014.
Yeah.
But the committee wasn't set up.
Give me a second. So every agenda has a time frame for it, and it has a specific time to announce for it. So it's the right time today, because let's see what do the committee do, how does the committee proceed on this, how do committee get the people together on this subject.
You're saying this is not Team India का डर तो नहीं है ये?
टीम इंडिया है नहीं कहाँ पे. टीम इंडिया पहली बात तो आपके दिमाग में टीम INDI अलायंस, इंडी अलायंस.
Okay.
वो
इंडिया अलायंस का डर तो नहीं है ये?
डर कैसा हो, मैं आपको, डर हमें नहीं होना चाहिए. डर उनका आपस में डर है. मैं आपको अभी आपको दो बातें बता दूंगा, आपको समझ लग जाएगा. वो लालू यादव ने कहा कि हम उनकी गर्दन पे चढ़ेंगे. ऐसा कभी बोला था ना लालू यादव ने, वहां पर बोला था बिहार से. वो उनकी गर्दन पे तो केजरीवाल चढ़ा हुआ है. वो जाकर छत्तीसगढ़ में कहता कि बघेल सबसे ज्यादा भ्रष्ट मुख्यमंत्री है. ही इज द मोस्ट करप्ट CM. दिस नॉट मी, केजरीवाल गोइंग एंड सेइंग सो. 4 ministers of the Aam Aadmi Party, of the Congress Party, has been arrested in Punjab by Aam Aadmi Party. Their former deputy CM is behind bars still. Oh, Kerala mein, the Communist Party has arrested the Congress Party chief. So, do you think this is an alliance? This is a mockery of the alliance, or so-called juggernaut, or Hindi mein hum log kehte hain jugaad. This is only for a photo options. Just do a good photo op.
So meeting 3 hasn't impressed you?
No. Give me another. I'll add another to it. Do you remember the Sapa and Baspa came together? Bhatija और बुआ इकट्ठे हो गए थे. Oh, everyone said, including sir, oh, master stroke combination. Not sir. master stroke. मतलब master stroke हो गया. कमाल हो गया. Nothing can beat this. What a caste combination. And what happened? People don't vote by arithmetics, by photo ops. People vote by what do you deliver on ground, and also on delivery also. And I'll just add and finish.
No, delivery. Then you go into your manifesto. Let's talk about the India meeting, or Indian meeting, as you say. Right now, Khoda Pahad, Nikhil Chuhiya seems to be the opinion on this side. Nikhil Jain. In terms of owning people's mind space, where is Team India?
Padmaja, I'll tell you where Team India is in terms of owning people's mind space. Somebody else in the panel earlier talked about the mood of the nation. So the recent mood of the nation poll brings 41% of the people wanting to vote for the India Alliance and 43% for the NDA. That is the little gap that today exists between the NDA and the India Alliance. And the steps that the BJP, that the Prime Minister has been taking in the past 2 months, whether it is talking about UCC, whether it is Yogi Adityanath talking about the Gyan Vapi issue, whether it is about the reforms in criminal law code, whether it is about one nation, one election, I don't understand that a government that is not able to manage the security situation in Manipur, that is not able to manage inflation, that is not able to manage encroachment by the Chinese on our land, is talking about all these big steps of reform months before the election, as if these are steps that you can take in months. These are things that you need long consultative processes for. As was said earlier in the panel, that UCC is something that has already been looked into by a Law Commission of India report, and they suggested that this is possibly the most feasible thing. Same for the one nation, one election thing. Then why does the BJP feel the need to bring in this boogie? Also, Dr. Ranganathan very cleverly pointed about one anti-national act of the Modi government, which was to repeal the farm laws. I'm sorry, but I'm reminded of that interview where somebody asks the interviewee, what is your weakness? Oh, sir, my weakness is I'm too hard a worker. And I feel I don't have enough time for my family. That's what you're trying to do, Dr. Ranganathan. Secondly, coming to Dr. Singh's statements that UCC, one nation, one election have been the key poll planks of the Prime Minister. They've been part of the BJP's key manifesto. What were also part of the BJP's key manifesto, may I remind Mr. Singh, are doubling of farmer incomes, Har Jal Pe Nal, Lal Aankh to China, dollar below 40. What happened to all of them?
So
Nothing happened.
Let me concede your point.
2 more points.
Let me concede your point. BJP has been a complete failure in all of its promises. Tell me, what is the big message that the voter is getting from the third meeting of Team India?
The message that the
voter what is the big message?
The message that the voter is getting is that India is an alliance of 26 political parties that represents
Sir,
democracy.
it's 28 now.
See, more people are adding with us.
Even you don't know.
More
you
people
don't know
are.
how many
More
are there in your
people are.
alliance.
That is the point. So many people are coming together that it's
So
hard to keep
many
account.
people are coming.
It's hard to keep account. Meanwhile, on the other hand, the NDA is an alliance of 38 parties, where
That
24.
can't be a message. You can't tell the voter.
The message is federalism.
28 लोग हैं, मेरे को वोट दे दो. That is hardly
The
a
message.
poll
No.
candidate.
The message is federalism.
आपको सपा बसपा का बताया ना
Singh Saab, the message is federalism, democracy,
secularism.
secularism. That is the main message, and that is why these parties are coming together. On one hand, we have the top political parties in the country saying that democracy is under threat, and on the other hand, we have a prime minister who says, "एक अकेला सब पे भारी." चुनाव के बाद भी मैं ही आऊंगा लाल किले पे. कैसे पता चुनाव से पहले आपको?
The threat was Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, and he's talking of Bengal. This is the unity you want to project to your voters.
And imagine that they will be campaigning together.
Parties can have.
They have a joint campaign committee where Congress will be sharing the stage with TMC and talking about democracy. But okay, let's see how that shapes up. Then tell me this. Dr. Naval Kishore, if indeed the big message is democracy, federalism, secularism, then why is it that the first press conference, which was held from the platform of Team India, spoke of none of this? What did he speak about? Gautam Adani. And who said it? Rahul Gandhi alone. From Team India platform, he was the only one who did the press conference with Jairam Ramesh. Nobody else was present.
No.
And he didn't talk about secularism. He didn't talk about democracy. He said कि भाई गौतम अदानी को पैसे दे रहे हैं नरेंद्र मोदी.
नहीं, पता नहीं आपने उसको देखा या सुना, किस तरह से सुना. उन्होंने साफ साफ बोला पहले कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इसका इंडिया गठबंधन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. वो एक बात लेकर आए हैं. सुन लीजिए पहले. उन्होंने वर्ल्ड के नामी ग्रामी न्यूज़पेपर का हवाला देकर जिसके विषय में डॉक्यूमेंट है,
उसी होटल में बैठकर जहां पर मीटिंग हो रही थी,
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आपके यहाँ तो 38
प्लेटफॉर्म से की.
प्लीज फाइंड आउट.
No, there is nothing to find out.
It is.
The banner is right here. We can show the banner.
But
the platform, the banner was, the logo was all Team India.
No, but to give the benefit of doubt, Dr. Kishore, he did say that Rahul Gandhi had said that all the investments of Adani in Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh are to be removed. है ना? यही कहा ना?
ये समझ नहीं पाया.
नहीं कहा.
You can run from here as Modi ji runs. You can also run from here. But this is only. No,
यही कहा था ना. मैंने सुना नहीं ध्यान से.
But sir, you are avoiding the topic. I'm giving you a simple question to answer. Right now, Nikhil Jain said, big message for the voters is that Team India stands for secularism, democracy and federalism. why was the first message given to the voter about some Adani corruption plank?
No, Adani.
And does your party, by the way, even support that plank?
नहीं नहीं that see
Is
that
the RJD going to back
Good question.
the Congress when they go out and say, "अरे ये लोग सब चोर हैं"?
नहीं everyone in the parliament, you must remember that everyone walked from parliament. All the party who are there in this block, they walked to the ED office. They wanted to walk
Asking
down.
for a JPC.
Yes, JPC.
TMC has distanced itself.
So,
TMC has distanced itself.
no.
Sharad Pawar is not going to support
they,
it.
no, they will come together. They will let have it. Let us leave it to the parliament.
Come
Leave it to the
together.
parliament.
Yes. If it is a matter of JPC, see, you cannot run from here to there. JPC can be demanded in the parliament, and it has been, and major political party were there.
Dr.
And they will
Nawal Kishore, I'm
come.
asking you a simple question.
Democracy.
It has been 24 hours since Rahul Gandhi held that press conference on such a major issue and said कि देश का प्रधानमंत्री करप्शन कर रहा है. टीम इंडिया का कुछ तो स्टैंड होगा ना.
नहीं,
आपने इतनी
नरेंद्र
कमेटी बना
मोदी-
दी.
अच्छा,
सोशल
सुनो,
मीडिया कमेटी,
अच्छा,
कैंपेन
लीजिए,
कमेटी, कमेटी की कमेटी. एक कमेटी ने ये भी
अच्छा,
तो फैसला
एक-
किया होगा
मुझे
कि
एक बात
on
और पूछनी-
Adani, where does Team India stand?
अच्छा, आज के जो
देखिए,
भाषण हुए, आज के जितने भाषण हुए, उसमें कोई नेता बोला क्या? आपके जितने लोगों ने भाषण दिए, स्टालिन साहब ने दिया, ठाकरे
आप
साहब ने
क्यों
दिया.
परेशान हैं,
नहीं,
सर?
हम परेशान नहीं
आप
हैं.
इससे परेशान मत
ये
होइए।
दिख रहा है,
परेशानी आपकी दिख रही है।
ये टीम
और
इंडिया
मोदी
के
जी की
आपने भी कहा
परेशानी दिख
डेमोक्रेसी,
रही है। देखिए,
आपने भी कहा सेकुलरिज्म,
सबसे बड़ी बात
आपने
है,
भी कहा
देखिए,
फेडरलिज्म,
वो
अभी
सब
कहा
चीज-
आपने.
वो सब
let
रहे.
him answer.
सुन लीजिए पहले, आपके बीच में मैंने बोला नहीं. जो चीज पिछले 10 साल में मोदी जी ने किया है, वही उनके घबराहट का कारण है. उन्होंने जो भी प्रॉमिस किया ही कुड नॉट स्टैंड, वो चाहे एम्प्लॉयमेंट पे हो चाहे जो भी हो. और उसके बदले में उन्होंने क्या दिया, और जो लोगों ने देखा कि मणिपुर पे शांत रहे, एम्प्लॉयमेंट पे आप देख लीजिए कि जो उन्होंने कहा वो नहीं मिला.
सर, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. तो कल राहुल गांधी को मणिपुर की बात करनी
नहीं,
चाहिए.
करेंगे ना, करें. अभी
उन्होंने मणिपुर की बात की, ना महंगाई की बात
मजा
की,
जी, डोंट
ना
वरी,
उन्होंने-
वी विल रेज ऑल इश्यूज.
When you
ऑल
have
इश्यूज
third meeting
बहुत
now.
समय है, आप घबराइए नहीं. आपको बहुत डिबेट करने का मौका मिलेगा. सो प्लीज डोंट गेट
अवनीश जी, वेट एंड वॉच, स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. अभी तो तीसरी, अभी तो
देखिए, आपने कॉल तो देखा होगा ना, जुड़ेगा भारत, जीतेगा इंडिया. ये सही होने जा रहा है.
Okay.
आपके लिए घबराहट का कारण हो या ना हो, लेकिन उधर है. और
मुझे
मोदी जी के पास
मुझे
भी
तो
है.
बेहद खुशी है कि
नहीं,
आपका स्लोगन हो गया.
होना-
भगवान करे आपका लोगो भी बन जाए.
एकदम बने.
कब का स्लोगन क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप.
Avnish ji, third meeting, they have got a coordination committee, they have got a slogan, and they have got an agenda. What is your problem?
नहीं नहीं, मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये देश की प्रॉब्लम है कि इतनी बड़ी मीटिंग बुलाने के बाद, इतना सब कुछ हाइप करने के बाद, वो पता नहीं कौन से स्टार होटल में सब ठहरने का. एक सेकंड, मैं बीच में नहीं बोला था ना आपके, मैं आपके बीच में नहीं बोला था ना.
अरे बोल रहे थे सर आपके साथ.
अरे
और
मैं
बोल
तो नहीं
वो
बोल
भी
रहा था ना.
थे, जो आपके बहुत बड़े समर्थक है वो भी बोल
Okay,
रहे
उनको
थे.
opening
मैं तो
कहो.
सिर्फ ये कर रहा हूँ सर, 28 के तुलना में जब 26 ही था तब 38 दल बैठे थे, एक को ही बोलने दिया. उसमें बता दीजिए आप.
Okay, Avnish ji.
बोल लेने दीजिए यार. तो उसमें निकल के क्या आया कि सीट शेयरिंग पर उन्होंने डिसाइड किया है एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ये हुआ है 2 दिन की मीटिंग के बाद. 63 लोग शायद मिले थे वहां पे. 63 लोगों ने मिलकर के 2-2 लाइन के एक रेजोल्यूशन पास किए, 3 रेजोल्यूशन, जिसमें कहीं कोई साफ बात नहीं है, कहीं भी कोई किसी तरह की क्लैरिटी नहीं है, हो भी नहीं सकती.
Essentially, उन्होंने कहा है that they are going to start their joint meetings,
Yes,
joint campaign
rallies करेंगे,
rallies very
rallies
quickly.
करेंगे.
That they are going to talk about seat sharing
Yes,
as soon as possible,
as much as possible.
as early as
As early as possible.
early as possible, और उन्होंने slogan finalize कर दिया. But that's progress.
पद्मजा, एक बात तो बड़ी साफ सी है. ये कहते हैं ना, जैसे अभी लोग भी कहते हैं कि डर गए, मोदी डर गए. अरे भैया, डर जो इकट्ठे होते हैं, डर उनमें होता है कि जो पहले से एनडीए बना हुआ था उसकी वजह से.
डराने का तो सर पूरा
फिर
कोशिश
बीच
किया.
में बोले आप.
3000
फिर आप बीच में बोले.
मारे गए पद्मजा जी, वो डराने का ही तो कोशिश था. जिस दिन बिहार सरकार अगस्त 2022 में शपथ ले रहा था, इनके तीनों जो सहयोगी है वहां पे छापे मार रहे थे. तो ये छापे मारने का जो कोशिश है, तो डराना ही है ना. और क्या है वो?
ओके, हर चीज से वो डर रहे हैं और डरा रहे हैं. वो डर गए तो इसलिए उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया और फिर आपको डरा भी दिया. बट लेट हिम फिनिश प्लीज, लेट हिम फिनिश प्लीज. हाँ,
अरे सर
मतलब
बोलिए,
क्या
आप
ऐसी
महत्वपूर्ण
बौखलाहट, क्या
है, मैं बोल रहा हूं.
ऐसा जल्दी कि अभी
ये नहीं बोलेंगे तो कोई बात नहीं,
अभी
मैं
कोई
बोल रहा
चुनाव
था,
नहीं हो रहा जो
महत्वपूर्ण
इतना बोल रहे हो तुम.
Please, Naval Kishore जी.
बात बड़ी साफ सी है पद्मजा. ये 26 लोग या 28 लोग जो भी मिले हैं, इनके बीच में आप इसी दौरान देख लीजिए, आपने एक मुद्दा लिया अडानी का. अडानी के मुद्दे पर एक पार्टी, 2 पार्टी, 3 पार्टी सारी इकट्ठे होकर आने वाली नहीं है. और ड्यूरिंग जब ये पार्लियामेंट में जिस तरीके का हंगामा मच रहा था, ड्यूरिंग दैट पार्लियामेंट, शरद पवार जो सीनियर मोस्ट लीडर है, उनका मुझे लगता है जेपीसी की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. नंबर 1 बात. नंबर 2 बात, कहीं भी अडानी के मुद्दे पे
जो सीनियर मोस्ट है और जो कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी में भी
कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी में है, ही इज द
most in coordination
ठीक है ना,
committee.
सीनियर
उन्होंने
मोस्ट।
ये भी बोला जेपीसी
Sir,
होनी
sir,
चाहिए,
एक
बोला है
मिनट, नहीं उन्होंने नहीं बोला है, उन्होंने
बोला।
कहा JPC is pointless. That is what he said in April. JPC is pointless. But anyway, let him finish. Fine.
पद्मजा 2014 के इलेक्शन के बाद उमर अब्दुल्ला ने कहा था कि 2024 तक तो नरेंद्र मोदी को कोई हरा नहीं सकता, 2029 की सोचना चाहिए। ये बात आज बिल्कुल साफ साबित हो रही है। और एक छोटी सी बात और कहूंगा, आज वो महबूबा मुफ्ती भी थी, जिनके बारे में जब वो बीजेपी के साथ थी तो वो एंटी नेशनल थी, आज वो 63 नेताओं में मोस्ट नेशनलिस्ट हो गई। मतलब ये सिर्फ बीजेपी के साथ नहीं, वॉशिंग मशीन ये लगा दिया गया, बीजेपी की वॉशिंग मशीन है। एक जवाब दे दीजिए, मैं आप सारे वक्तव्य सुनाइए महबूबा मुफ्ती के बारे में, तमाम इन पार्टियों के क्या वक्तव्य थे।
Interesting. No, hold on a second. You've raised a very important point. I want to take it back to Sanjeev Srivastava. You mentioned Omar Abdullah, who said that the alliance in the opposition should start preparing for 2029. Sanjeev Srivastava, it is also the same Omar Abdullah who yesterday said that we really need to get some things on track because the way situations are right now, we can't keep traveling all over the country having meeting on meeting. Is there a bit of impatience setting in? Now we're just looking at straws in the wind. You know, yesterday Akhilesh Yadav on Thursday saying, we want seat sharing to start happening. Omar Abdullah saying, listen, we can't just keep having meeting after meeting. You've also had Mamta Banerjee leaving the meeting earlier, before the press conference started on Friday. Are we to read something into this, Sanjeev Srivastava?
So, Padmaja, we have to be pragmatic. The opposition alliance or India alliance has 26 or 28 parties, because even Mr. Pawar, when he was doing the press conference day before with Uddhav Thackeray, he wasn't sure which are the additional 2 parties. He said Peasants and Workers Party hai shayad ek. But the issue is that this India alliance comprises of a lot of people with different backgrounds, different baggages, different ideas, and at many places they are competing with each other, especially on the local turf for state politics, power in the state. So there are complications, and there is nothing. We have to be pragmatic and accept that it is not an idea which will just
We've accepted that.
metamorphise
Now we are
overnight
asking,
into something
have those
brilliant
complications
and get going.
led to impatience?
So the issue is, sorry, just let me. No. I think ultimately what will happen is we are talking about narrative, agenda. You asked one panelist, what are the issues you are going to take to the people? I think all that is very important and relevant. But the most important point at the end of the day will be that there is one central figure today in Indian polity, which is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Everybody accepts that. So now the vote has to be pro-Modi and anti-Modi. So if there are a bulk of constituencies where there will be a pro-Modi candidate or the NDA candidate and vis-a-vis an India alliance candidate, I think all narrative, all agenda will boil down ultimately who will be voting for Modi and who will be voting against Modi. So the most crucial thing I again say, and like you said just now, is to get one candidate against the NDA candidate. And like you said just now, that some panelists said, and you corrected him, that it is not in as many seats as possible, that the India alliance will try and work together, but it will be as early as possible. But I think it will be actually end up on as many seats as possible, because it is easier said than done. There will be so many fights, so many problems, so many issues, egos, local turf guarding will be there.
Yeah,
so
like P. Chidambaram said, we should have a formula of 450, where 450 we have seat sharing agreement and the rest can be decided. But the earlier situation was Modi versus scattered people.
Point, I think.
Yeah, where it was Modi versus a scattered opposition. Now at least Sanjeev Srivastava says it's become bipolar. Modi and Team India.
Well, last time also there was they have changed the name, but UPA was there last time also. And also, let me tell you.
No, but seat sharing wasn't there.
No. But
UPA
was almost they have done their homework well. UPA was there, although they didn't have. The same is here. Andhra, they don't have any seat sharing this time also.
No, but they say they are going to have statewide seat sharing.
Do you have any alliance with the parties on Andhra today? No.
No, barring YSRCP and
let's talk about
BRS.
Let's talk about Telangana. Let's talk about Odisha.
Leave those two aside.
Odisha. I'll name more. Let's talk about complete Northeast for that regard. So what I'm saying is, people look for a credible face. I mean, you can make false promises, you can make false accusations also, but people look for credible face. One,
sir,
give me a
momentum
second.
तो हुआ. You'll agree there is a
Give me
momentum.
second. मैं मोमेंटम की बात बता रहा हूँ, मोमेंटम की बात बता रहा हूँ. लास्ट टाइम राहुल गांधी ने कहा था मैं हर बच्चे के जेब में 6,000 रुपए महीना डालूंगा. बिग पोल प्रॉमिस. What happened? People didn't accept it because
Sir, you're not
people
answering the
never-
question. Are you agreeing that there is a momentum? Now when you get out on the street and you say Team India के बारे में पता है, 10 में से 7 लोगों को पता है.
पर वो मोमेंटम तब तक है जब तक ये ऊपर ऊपर फोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं. मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, अभी हाल में टीएमसी ने कांग्रेस के एक नेता को अपनी पार्टी में जोड़ा लिया. एक ही जीता था एमएलए उनका, सागर डिगी से.
सागर डिगी, correct.
वो भी चला गया.
वो तो बीजेपी ने भी
अरे सर आपको जोड़ा. अरे सर एक मिनट, अरे सुनिए ना,
एक ही क्यों
एक
बोलते हैं?
अकेला
सर, वो
था.
तो आपने भी एएमआईएम ले लिया, कोई बात नहीं.
वो तो आगे
आप सभी करते
अपने
हैं.
आप आ-
जब बीजेपी करती है
वो
वॉशिंग
अपने आप
मशीन
आ-
होता है,
वो
जब
अपनी
आप
बारी में
करते
अपने
हैं
आप
तो वो भी
अपनी
घात
बारी में
होता
अपने आप आ
है.
जाते
मैं तो
हैं.
वही बोल रहा
अरे
हूँ.
सर
तो
देखिए ना,
उसको क्यों रेफरेंस मिला?
नहीं मैं इसलिए
अगर
रेफरेंस
वो
बता
नहीं है
रहा
तो don't take it
हूँ,
to
इसलिए
the-
रेफरेंस बता रहा हूँ कि ये हालत है, ये हालत है. मैंने पहले अभी दोबारा नहीं रिपीट करा.
हालत है, जो
अरे हालत, आपकी अंदरूनी हालत ये है कि आप लालू जी जो कह रहे हैं वो आप ही एक दूसरे के गर्दन पे चढ़े हुए.
बिल्कुल नहीं
आपको
है.
चढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं
Narrative पे
है.
तो
आप एक
Okay,
दूसरे
so
के गर्दन
what
पे
is your
चढ़े हुए
point?
हैं.
Your point is that the momentum will be lost because of the internal contradictions?
Yes.
You lose the momentum.
They already lost
Before
the
I come to the
in
momentum,
state.
Bajaj-
Already lost. अभी मीटिंग खत्म नहीं हुई तो lost the momentum.
स्टेट में यहाँ
So you're
फोटो
being very harsh.
नहीं फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए मोमेंटम थोड़ा बन जाएगा.
इतना
मैंने अभी आपको
बेचैनी
एग्जांपल दिया.
नहीं,
एक
ये
बार
आपकी
रुपए,
बेचैनी
अरे
है.
एक
सही
मिनट रुकिए
बात भी नहीं
ना,
बोल
अरे
पा
एक मिनट रुकिए ना,
आप बताइए,
अरे एक
कौन
मिनट
सा
रुको ना यार,
स्टेट
अरे एक
कौन सा
मिनट,
स्टेट
अरे
किया?
अरे एक मिनट रुको. मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दिया. 6,000 रुपए हर किसी की जेब में डालने.
ये बहुत
कितनी
पुरानी बात हो
अरे
गई.
पुरानी बात नहीं,
पुरानी बात हो
अरे
गई.
इलेक्शन की बात है ना, तो लोगों ने नहीं माना ना.
But sir, they did
Yes.
manage.
No.
They did manage to complete 100 years in power in Karnataka. They have on the back of that 100 days. Sorry.
हुआ क्या उस 100 डेज में? हुआ क्या? वो जो लोग उनके खुद के एमएलए, खुद के मंत्री कह रहे हैं कि
सर, ये आपको लग रहा है ना, अभी तो न्यूज ये है कि कर्नाटका में 2 of your MLAs are going to break away and join the Congress. But anyway, quickly let Nikhil Jain respond. I'll come to you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan. The internal contradictions are going to fritter away any gains that you have. It is always with Team India, 2 steps आगे, 5 कदम पीछे.
So why is the BJP constantly talking about it? If Team India does not matter, Rahul Gandhi does not matter, Congress does not matter, every day.
So that's hardly a logic,
If-
Nikhil Jain. We are talking about it because we like politics.
Yes, and
It's
we can.
not because we are scared of you that we're talking about
there
it.
are 100 different things in politics we can be talking about, but all the time, what I hear the BJP and the BJP spokespersons talking about is how Team India isn't going to work. Mr. Singh, please tell me how India is going to work. You've been asking the India Alliance what is their position on Adani, the position of individual partners. Has anybody ever asked you what is the position on a certain issue of the different NDA parties? People don't even know what parties constitute the NDA. It is only the BJP and one leader of the BJP going around saying एक अकेला सब पे भारी, तो बाकी 37 की क्यों जरूरत है? You talked about 6,000. One short point.
Okay, 10 seconds. No, hold on a second.
Mr. Singh said कि राहुल गांधी ने कहा था 6,000 सबकी जेब में डालेंगे, किसी ने सुना नहीं, क्योंकि दूसरी तरफ एक आदमी कह रहा था मैं 15 लाख डालूंगा.
Okay. Again, this is tactical derailing. Quick, doctor, let Dr. Ranganathan respond, please.
Very long time. No, 1 second. I just want
कॉल ऑफ होना चाहिए. मेरा चैलेंज लेना, अभी बैठे बैठे सर्च करके जाना, गूगल पे मार कर जाना कहाँ बोला था. अरे एक मिनट, फालतू नहीं, सर्च करके बताना मेरे को, ऐसे नहीं.
Mr. Singh,
fine. Hold on a
Narendra Modi
second.
very
Dr.
clearly
Ranganathan,
said
now,
in public
please.
rallies
I think
that
that
there
no,
is
it's
so many black
degenerate.
money
Sir,
outside the country.
please,
And if it is
can I
gotten back,
please?
आप सबके खाते में 15 लाख चले जाएंगे. That is suggestive suggestion.
Nikhil Jain,
Mr.
please
Singh, that is
don't-
suggestive.
He's giving you time. Why don't you search it? We'll come back to it in 10 minutes. Yes, Dr. Ranganathan.
So
PM
first
साहब की
things
भाषा
first. First things first. Mr. Jain is wrong. Fact check of his fake news. Narendra Modi never said that I will deposit 15 lakhs or 15 lakhs will go into your account. Said there is so much of black money floating around that if brought back, it is equivalent to each one of your bank accounts having. So there's a difference there. He never promised. That's fake news, and that's been
No, I very
countered.
clearly said
Okay,
that.
please, let's not go back for
now we
last.
can go
Since
back.
2014, we've been discussing this.
Yes, absolutely. I want to discuss something more substantive and dare I say a little bit philosophical. 2024 is going to be the first election in living memory that is actually, if you think about it, is going to be ideology agnostic. राम मंदिर का कोई सवाल नहीं है, बीजेपी कोई हिंदू इश्यूज नहीं उठा रही है, जो इश्यूज प्रो हिंदू आप कह लीजिए वो इश्यूज कांग्रेस और बाकी पार्टीज भी उठा रही हैं. जो 3-4 इश्यूज जिस पे ये इलेक्शन डिसाइड होगा, as I said, will be ideology agnostic and it will be based on delivery, delivery of your promises. And that is where it is almost impossible, very difficult to beat Modi. Because my good friend Mr. Jain asked a question. इतने promises किए, उनमें से एक promise उन्होंने tap water का किया. मैं आपको एक example दूंगा, त्रिपुरा. BJP never had a presence there. In fact, BJP vote share in Tripura was 1%. Within a span of 8 years, they brought it up to 40%. You know why? Because the tap water connections in Tripura increased from 3% to 56%. This is the reason. So when it comes to delivery, I am very happy that Indians are now going to choose between parties who are going to deliver things much better. But final point here. BJP is going to win, but please someone tell the BJP it's going to win, because it thinks it's not going to win, so it wants to win at all costs. Otherwise, what explains the Prime Minister saying that one person has committed corruption of 70,000 crores and the very next day that person is inducted in the BJP? Corruption is not an issue.
Okay. Respond. No, hold on.
Counter me, Dr. Saab, counter me. कुछ गलत बोला.
Please. Now, I am countering you. You look at Bihar. The finance minister of this country went to Bihar in 2020 and promised 19 lakhs job against 10 lakhs job. And within 20 months, there are not even a single employment which was given to the Bihari youth. That was a
Let me ask
reality.
you this, Dr. Naval Kishore. What Dr. Ranganathan basically said is that if there is a war of delivery, the BJP is saying, I have delivered X, Y, Z, Rozgar Mela, job card, Har Ghar Jal, etc. What is
2
your...
crore per year? Can you give
Dr. Naval Kishore, just a second, let me finish question. Let me finish my question. Is Team India's entire campaign around ये जो बीजेपी बोल रही है ये झूठ है, या फिर okay, they are promising this, but we have also given you this. This is what we have achieved. Is it going to be a campaign and a messaging of deliverables or of trying to pull others down?
No. There is going to be the complete set of agenda on which we are going to fight. That will come out. It will come out.
Negative है या positive?
नहीं, positive है सर, positive है. See, we are.
आपके positive deliverables क्या हैं अभी?
मैं एक इनका पॉजिटिव एजेंडा देता हूं. अच्छा काम किया. अरे अच्छा काम से सुन तो लो. आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूं. अरे आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूं. सुन तो लो. अरे आपकी तारीफ सुनने में
Don't interrupt him, then he will interrupt you. Nobody will be able to speak.
आप सरकार में हैं, इतना घबराइए.
नेहालुद्दीन का नाम सुने हैं? नेहालुद्दीन का नाम सुने हैं क्या? हर मुसलमान बच्चे को बम बनाने की छूट मिलनी चाहिए अपनी आत्मरक्षा में. ये अच्छा एजेंडा है.
Okay.
आप दे रहे हैं इसको.
Okay. Let's bring it back. Give me 2 things which the RJD is going to take to Team India and say, this is what we have achieved in Bihar as part of Bihar model. आप इसको Team India के एजेंडा में डालिए.
आरजेडी ने, सुन लीजिए पहले, क्यों घबरा जाते हैं. आरजेडी ने पिछले 1 साल में अगस्त 2022 में आए और जिस रोजगार और नौकरी की बात किया था, आज की डेट में लगभग 5 लाख नौकरी एडवर्टाइज्ड है. बीपीएससी के द्वारा शिक्षक की बहाली हो रही है. आप सुन लीजिए पहले. और जब ये प्रधानमंत्री जी जो नियुक्ति पत्र बांटना शुरू किए, वो तो माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार को देकर उन्होंने कॉपी किया. उसके पहले एक भी दिखा दीजिए जहां पर उन्होंने नियुक्ति पत्र बांटा होगा. ये उपलब्धि है आरजेडी का. आरजेडी ने जो काम किया है बिहार में, वो सामाजिक विकास पहले चरण में है, जिसको ये लोग खारिज करते हैं. ये लोग सिर्फ कहते हैं कि वहां पे केवल अगर कुछ था 2005 के पहले तो गुंडागर्दी थी, क्योंकि ये समाज के उत्थान को, वंचितों के उत्थान को, गरीबों के उत्थान को नहीं देख सकते हैं. और ड्युअलिटी, लास्ट पॉइंट, द ड्युअलिटी ऑफ बीजेपी ऑन सेंसस, कास्ट सेंसस, बीजेपी यूनिट बिहार से इसकी यहां होना चाहिए. दोनों बार रेजोल्यूशन सर्वदलीय बैठक में वो साथ थे, लेकिन देश का प्रधानमंत्री कहता है कि नहीं होना चाहिए. आज भी 2021 में जो होना चाहिए था वो अभी भी नहीं हो रहा, 2024 तक भी नहीं हो रहा. 2011 के पहले यही भाजपा कहती थी कि कास्ट सेंसस होना चाहिए. 2018 में गृह मंत्री ने
Before we get sidetracked into that, let me, for the benefit of our viewers, since we've talked about hiring jobs, etc. 1st of July 2023, 7 protesting teachers were injured when they were holding a dharna against the domicile policy of the RJD-JDU government. 7 of them were hospitalized after they were lathi charged by the police, sir. So just talking about the Bihar model also. Just a second, Abnijesh ji wants to respond. Yes.
क्रक्स ऑफ द इलेक्शन क्या है? क्रक्स ऑफ द इलेक्शन ये है कि आप ये देखिए कि तमाम ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज इस बात से डर रही थी कि कहीं ये प्रेसिडेंशियल टाइप इलेक्शन ना हो, लेकिन इन सब ने मिलकर के कि हमें सिर्फ मोदी को हटाना है, इसको प्रेसिडेंशियल टाइप बना लिया है. अब वोटर के सामने अभी संजीव श्रीवास्तव जी ने कहा 2 तरीके के वोटर हैं, एक जो प्रो मोदी है, एक एंटी मोदी है. एंटी मोदी में ये सारे लोग मिलकर के कि किसको देना है किसको देना है, ये नहीं है। बाकी जो प्रो मोदी, उसने कहा कि कोई भी हो आपके सामने। अभी जो अप्रूवल रेटिंग आई है, उस अप्रूवल रेटिंग के हिसाब से प्रो मोदी का या मोदी की जो अप्रूवल रेटिंग है वो बहुत हाई है। तो ये
कर्नाटक में क्यों हार गए सर?
यार
79%.
इतने हाई रेटिंग के बावजूद भी कर्नाटक में क्यों हार गए?
छोटा सा सवाल पूछ रहा था आरपी सिंह
No,
से।
sir, just a second. Let me finish, please, then I'll come. Yes.
आनंद, मैं सिर्फ ये पूरा कर रहा हूं कि जो संजीव श्रीवास्तव ने कहा, चाहे अनचाहे ये तमाम जो पार्टियां इकट्ठी हुई हैं, इन सब का अगर एक मोटो बन गया है कि मोदी को हटाना है, सबने यही कहा है, तो ये प्रेसिडेंशियल टाइप इलेक्शन हो
नहीं
गया।
सर,
जिसको मोदी को
भारत
लाना है वो
जीतेगा।
लाएगा, वो वोट
जीतेगा, भारत
उतने
जीतेगा ही।
जबरदस्त
हाँ,
तरीके
मोदी
से।
ऐसा उसमें-
अब वो जो विधानसभा हो, लोकसभा हो, लोकसभा में अगर मोदी के नाम पर वोट पड़ना है तो पड़ेगा। इसलिए जो आप अप्रूवल रेटिंग देख रहे हैं, ये सब इकट्ठे हो जाए, इसलिए कोई चेहरा सामने नहीं आ रहा। इसलिए कोई चेहरा सामने नहीं आ रहा, क्योंकि मोदी के सामने कौन सा चेहरा है जो अपने आप को कह सके कि हाँ मोदी को नहीं, मुझे वोट दो।
Okay, interesting because he raised this. Sanjeev ji, do you agree with this that there is no convener of this entire alliance because nobody wants to become that face pitted against Mr. Modi?
Even the coordination committee have no coordinator.
इंतजार कीजिए, वो भी आ जाएगा। घबराते क्यों?
देखिए पद्मजा जी, what we all know the difficulties of India alliance. Finding a consensus candidate to lead them before elections is very difficult. Post elections, whether it was in the 1996 to 98 period when Deve Gowda and Gujrals came, or anybody else can come later. So they will avoid contentious issues which will have the potential of creating problems for them. That is why Adani will not become a poll issue. Like Rafael did not become a poll issue, Adani will not become a poll issue, but that doesn't mean that the Modi government is not nervous in the run-up to 2024. Yes, Mr. Modi will be the central figure to this election. There will be pro and anti-Modi vote. But if the anti-Modi vote is not splintered or not fractured, that mandate is not fractured and it's cohesive, then we have an election on hands.
Okay, we
especially
have
in
an
states
election
like
in
Bihar,
hand, but what is the
Karnataka,
face?
Maharashtra, West
What do you
Bengal.
make of the fact
So we have-
that
yes.
after all of the
Sorry.
talk, you know that so and so is going to become, Arvind Kejriwal is going to become, Nitish Kumar is going to become, there is not a single convener. Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge are not even in any of the committees.
Padmja, but I very honestly, I think these are non-issues. Who becomes a convener? The issue is, can they work out a seat understanding where in a bulk of
You don't think it's
constituencies
an issue?
they can put up one India candidate
You
against
don't-
BJP?
this is not
That
an
is the
issue.
No, I
You
don't
keep
think it's an
harping
issue.
about a face.
It's an
Face does
issue.
not matter.
It's an issue for people. It's an issue for people who want to run down India alliance. It's an issue for the people only who want to run down India alliance.
Okay, now what will happen now? Monday, Rahul Gandhi. Tuesday, Mamata Banerjee. Wednesday, Akhilesh Yadav. Thursday, Arvind Kejriwal. Friday, Rahul Gandhi, Uddhav Thackeray. Then Sharad Pawar. And Sunday, Farooq Abdullah. He enjoys holidays. So this will be the presentation they will make to people. Dekhi, we have so many prime minister candidates, so you will have prime minister for a day. That's how they are going to present.
But Sanjeev Srivastava says it does not matter.
It matters. Why don't it is the issue that who's going to lead the country? Who's going to lead the country?
Okay.
I want to come in here. Look, the fact of the matter is that जितना काम डेवलपमेंट का कर सकते थे वो 9 साल में
has
इन्होंने
enough
किया। अब 6
leaders
महीने में they are not going to do
Prime
any
Minister.
miraculous thing. So how do you consolidate the people who you want to vote for you? BJP would want to consolidate its vote share. How do you do it? You do it by, it's a negative word for a lot of people, but it's not so negative for me, for polarizing. That is, you come up with a very concrete step. Now, Uttar Pradesh election, preceding that, you know it, RPG. Yogi Adityanath said, ये 80-20 का election है. उन्होंने ये बताया नहीं, what does he mean by that, but सबको पता था. Please let me finish. Please let me finish. If UCC comes, okay, then this actually becomes an 80-20 election. The consolidation for BJP would be phenomenal. It's not just a question of dividing the country, because I am for UCC. UCC is religion agnostic. But the point of the matter is they are going to consolidate it. On the other side, what is the consolidation that Dr. Saab was talking about? India को बचा रहे हैं. मैं आपको 2 एग्जांपल देता हूं. आप इंडिया को कैसे बचा रहे हैं जब कांग्रेस और आरजेडी आम आदमी पार्टी को एक्यूज कर रहे हैं कि खालिस्तानी एलिमेंट्स को ये बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं पंजाब में. ऐसे इंडिया बचा रहे हैं. आप इंडिया कैसे बचा रहे हैं जब कांग्रेस के अधीर रंजन चौधरी कह रहे हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी इज डेड इन बंगाल, जब कांग्रेस कह रही है कि सीपीआईएम पिनराई विजयन हैज परपेट्रेटेड a camera scam of 100 crores. ऐसे कैसे आप देश को बचा रहे हैं?
And the IUML, which has been certified as the most secular party, carries out a rally in Kerala where they say we will burn them alive and we will hang them in their temples. This is all a part of your India, sir.
बताइए.
देखिए जितनी बातें आप कह रहे हैं ना, जितना डाइवर्सिटी की बात करें, डिफरेंस की बात करें, द इंडिया अलायंस इज वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड दे आर कमिंग टुगेदर. नहीं अरे सर देखिए आपकी घबराहट
18 सितंबर को डिक्लेयर कर देंगे.
Naval ji, I just want to point out that having pro-Khalistan sentiments within your alliance is not diversity.
ये कैसे डाइवर्सिटी है?
मुसलमान बच्चों का
डिस्पाइट द ह्यूज.
कल को आप नक्सल ले आएंगे, माओविस्ट ले आएंगे, कहेंगे डाइवर्सिटी बढ़ रही है.
पहले जितने भी पोलराइज आपने किया, कम से कम 15 स्टेट में मोदी जी के तमाम कोशिशों के बावजूद उनकी हार हुई. वो बंगाल हो, चाहे झारखंड हो, चाहे दिल्ली हो, चाहे साउथ इंडिया हो, चारों तरफ हारे. ये कोई ताकत नहीं.
Dr. Naval Kishore, I think we need to make the question very specific. The question Dr. Ranganathan is asking is to both the parties, if I got you correctly. One, what is your big consolidating message to your voters? Because right now it has become very up in the air.
It's ideology agnostic.
आइडियोलॉजी एग्नोस्टिक. जो कट्टर बीजेपी का वोटर है उसको आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, और जो कट्टर इंडिया का वोटर है, क्या वो कोई ऐसा वोटर है भी जो सिर्फ कट्टर इंडिया का वोटर हो सकता है, उसको आप क्या मैसेज दे रहे हैं स्पेसिफिकली? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इन अ स्टेज वेयर वी कैन गो अराउंड सेइंग हम देश बचाने जा रहे हैं. देश बचा हुआ है सर. इनफैक्ट सो मच सो दैट टुडे somebody asked me when I told them what the slogan is कि बढ़ेगा भारत जीतेगा इंडिया और जुड़ेगा भारत
जीतेगा इंडिया.
बट यू जस्ट कैरिड आउट अ भारत जोड़ो यात्रा. आर यू सेइंग कि वो भारत जोड़ो से नहीं जुड़ा भारत, अब आगे जुड़ेगा?
वो प्रोसेस है.
ऐसा मत
कहिए. ये प्रोसेस जब तक हम
पूरा भारत जोड़ो हो गया, अभी भी भारत जुड़ा नहीं है, अभी आगे जुड़ेगा.
मेरा वोट डॉक्टर साहब को जाएगा. इनसे अच्छा पॉलिटिशियन नहीं देखा.
नहीं देखिए जितना भी आप बात कहें, जितने भी रीजनली स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्सेस हैं, आप बीजेपी की बात करते हैं, जस्ट आप ये बताइए कि बीजेपी के जो सबसे मजबूत और पुराने सहयोगी,
आर यू फॉर और अगेंस्ट पोस्ट पोल अलायंसेस? आर यू फॉर और अगेंस्ट पोस्ट पोल अलायंस?
इट विल नॉट बी नीडेड, बिलीव मी.
You just had a post poll.
India will win. India will win. Post poll alliance की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Pre poll से ही हराएंगे.
Alliance की जरूरत तब पड़ेगी जब सरकार बनानी हो. जब जीतेंगे नहीं तो जरूरत कहाँ से पड़ेगी?
समझदारी इतनी मजबूत है. इंडिया को पोस्ट पोल की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ये जीतेगा इसलिए जो आपके मजबूत सहयोगी हैं. कहाँ है जनता दल यूनाइटेड? मेरी बात सुनिए. देखिए 20 साल के साथ में रह के कहाँ है जनता दल यूनाइटेड? कहाँ है शिवसेना? कहाँ है अकाली दल?
इस शो पे क्या कर जा रहा हूं? चुनाव से पहले INDI अलायंस खत्म हो जाएगा, मुझसे लिखवा लेना. मैं आपको शो पे क्या कर जा रहा हूं?
मैं आपको भी कह रहा हूं
ले लेना
कि एनडीए जो है वो नेशनल डिस्ट्रक्टिव अलायंस है.
Gentlemen, let's bring it back on track. Nikhil Jain, 3 meetings have happened. We have right now a slogan and many committees. As a political observer, at least tell me what is your big takeaway in terms of a message? Yes. Is it corruption? Is it महंगाई? Is it anti-Muslim sentiment? What is it? What is it that you're going to tell the voters that makes the BJP so evil?
Padmaja, why do we need to have a single message?
Sir, you don't
why
need to
can
have
it not
anything
be?
single. You don't have a single face. You don't need to have a single message. You don't need to have a single logo.
I'm making my point. Let me make my point. Since I wasn't interjecting. Padmaja, can I speak without an interjection?
इनको तो बोलने दीजिए. They are on your panel only.
मैं तो सिर्फ
What I'm saying.
इतनी डाइवर्सिटी हो रही है.
चेहरे की बात कर रहे हैं तो 77 में कौन था, 89 में कौन था, 2004 में कौन था? आप बताइए तो बिना चेहरा का आ रहा है.
बोलने चलो चेहरा नहीं, मैसेज तो एक होगा.
मैसेज भी है. मैसेज
क्या मैसेज है?
पार्टी है कांग्रेस बोलने
बोलिए.
The point I'm making is that we don't need to restrict the messaging to a single point. Why can it not talk about corruption? Why can it not talk about inflation? Why can we not talk about the rising communal disharmony in the country? Are these issues that the country doesn't need to talk about?
Because it's known as अपनी ढपली, अपना राग.
Not at all. Are these not okay? So why does the BJP talk about the UCC, doubling of farmer incomes, and inflation and cost rise control? Why do they talk about all the different issues? Let the
a lawyer, right?
Let Mr.
You're a
Singh,
lawyer,
so
right?
that's
You're a
precisely
lawyer.
my point. You
When
can't
you
have a
go to
single
court,
issue.
when you go to court,
my point.
hold on a
When we
second.
go to court-
When you go to court and you want to win a case, you make a single line of argument. You don't say,
You have a
sir,
single
this man
line
is
of argument,
innocent
but
because
multiple
of this
grounds.
also and this also.
You have a single line of argument, but you have multiple grounds, and that's precisely the point. That the single line is that this country is not safe within the hands of the BJP, and that the grounds are rising communal disharmony, rising prices, crony capitalism, and that's what we're talking about.
To give him the benefit of the doubt, he is absolutely right. Congress and he himself have raised multiple issues. On corruption, they've talked about the corruption in the Kerala government of 100 crore scams. On communal violence, they've talked about communal violence in Bengal. On sectarianism, they've talked about sectarianism in Punjab, Khalistan district. So they are talking about multiple issues.
Dr. Ranganathan, I think
ठीक कह रहे हो आप ही की पार्टी यही तो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस है और
this is not contradiction. Mr. Singh, no. To raise one's voice against what is wrong, even if it's with our alliance partners, that's not wrong. But then I don't understand why do we think that it is some sort of a sin to raise voice against one's own partner. If I feel that my alliance partner is in the wrong and I'm raising my voice against them, what is wrong in that? I may or may not be right. Mr. Singh, no.
I'll tell you, there's a very
Mr. Ranganathan, why do you
there is a very
have the
simple
corruption
flaw in that
allegations against
logic.
Prime Minister Modi and
I'll tell you, there's a very simple flaw in that logic, sir.
Ajit Pawar?
Then you discredit your own alliance partner. That is the only flaw in that logic. In conclusion, let's just take a straw poll. Avnijesh Awasthi, 3 meetings done. As of today, Team India's messaging, how many marks do you give them out of 10? And be fair.
I will be absolutely fair. मतलब माइनस में तो दे नहीं सकते
They have managed to make committee.
क्या है
Let's not be harsh.
आउटकम क्या है मुझे कोई भी बता दे मैं
Committee
मार्क्स
तो बनाई है उन्होंने।
मैं मुझे आई एम ए लेक्चरर आई एम ए प्रोफेसर मैं कॉपी में देखता हूं अगर कुछ लिखा हुआ है कुछ अगर जो पूछा गया था वो लिखा हुआ है तो मैं मार्क्स दूंगा अगर नहीं लिखा हुआ है खाली ये कॉपी तो मैं नंबर कैसे दे दूं ये फेयर होना है
Sir, committee तो
तो
बनाई है।
एक नंबर दे देता हूं मैं
Okay, let's go. उनकी मर्जी है आप कितना देंगे, but be honest. Don't say 10 or 11 on 10.
एकदम honest. I am being totally honest, and I'm saying
as honest as Lalu ji. Please be as honest.
Lalu ji is much more than honest than any of your leader you believe in.
He is.
Any leader you
He is
believe in this
provoking you,
country,
you're getting
he is more than
provoked.
honest. नहीं आप देखिए आप कितने बेईमान हैं आप कितने बेईमान हैं वैचारिक तौर पे ये मैं आपको अभी साबित कर सकता हूँ आपको साबित कर सकता हूँ और आपसे यही उम्मीद है आप जब तक आपके जैसे लोग लालू जी को बेईमान कहेंगे उनकी ईमानदारी 100% है
Okay, डॉक्टर साहब, out of 10.
देखिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जो
Please,
देखिए सुन लीजिए पहले आप नहीं मानेंगे ना क्योंकि आपको चुभती है
out of 10.
आपको चुभती है
Out of 10.
नहीं आउट ऑफ 10 और आउट ऑफ 5 की बात नहीं है यहाँ पर बात यह है कि जिस रफ्तार से सुन लीजिए पहले सर कहाँ आप भी क्यों चक्कर में पड़ जाते हैं मैं सिर्फ कह रहा हूँ कि जो प्रयास है उससे भाजपा की परेशानी बढ़ी है और ये इंडिया की सफलता है इट इज मोर देन हाफ मार्क थ्रू
More than half mark?
Yes.
5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. If I ask Nikhil Jain, he will say, why should we give 1 mark also? We can have different marks out of 10.
मैं लॉजिक बताता हूँ आप सुन लीजिए पहले आपने बोला कि ये लोग कभी बैठ नहीं सकते पटना में बैठक हुई आप बेंगलुरु में कहे कि नीतीश जी और लालू जी चले गए कुछ नहीं हुआ आप अभी भी चला रहे हैं कि ममता जी चली गई कुछ नहीं हुआ
वो चली गई
लेकिन आपका नहीं आपका थंस था
You didn't make convener.
नहीं बनाएंगे समय पे बनाएंगे आपके कहने से नहीं बनाएंगे हम समय पे बनाएंगे हर लड़ाई का जो निर्णायक मोड़ होता है वो आएगा एक समय वो आपके कहने पे भाजपा की बेचैनी से नहीं बनाएंगे
Professor Saab, would you mark the NDA meeting that happened on the 18th of July? How much marks would you give to that alliance meeting?
अरे 20 मार्क्स
बता देता हूं।
10 छोड़ दीजिए
सर अब आप
सुनिए 38 लोगों ने मिलकर के बिना किसी इफेंट बट के एक आदमी
केवल
को
सुना
अपना
मोदी
नेता
जी को।
चुना
केवल
नरेंद्र
मोदी
मोदी
को सुना।
ये 28 लोग एक सब पे भारी है इसलिए एक सब पर भारी है वो समझ में आ गई बात अब आप समझ में आ गई बात अब समझ में आ गई बात
I'm going to quick in conclusion. Out of 10, Dr. Ranganathan.
As a man of science, I go by data. And howsoever much we may deliberate, what Mr. Jain said at the very beginning holds true. You conducted a Mood of the Nation survey. You found out that the vote share of NDA is 43% and that of India Alliance is 41%. You can't negate that. I can't suddenly say that NDA is 100 times faster or is going to win. I can't do that. So going by that, I would give 5 to India and 5 to India.
RP Singh, finally RP Singh.
पूरे 10 नंबर भैया आपने
आपसे उम्मीद
अरे
नहीं है।
आपको अरे सुन तो लो अच्छा सुनने की क्षमता तो रखो अरे सुनने की क्षमता तो रखो
नंबर मिले आपको।
अरे सुनो तो सही
लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी को बर्बाद कर दी।
Dr. Saab, you're getting 10 on 10.
आपका नहीं
Why?
चाहिए सर।
अरे सुनो अब तो उनको चाहिए ही नहीं
चाहिए ही नहीं सर।
10 on 10. Why are you giving 10 on 10?
भाजपा
अरे
लोकपा को तोड़ दिया।
All right.
जदयू को बर्बाद
All
कर
right.
दिया।
तो नहीं है पद्मा जैसे
Okay, final logic.
अरे
Sir,
सुन तो लो
please,
यार अरे
10
सुन
on
तो
10
लो,
why?
सुन तो लो अरे ये इकट्ठे बैठकर फोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं ये बड़ी बात है ये इकट्ठे बैठकर फोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं ये बड़ी बात है
Okay, it's always nice to end on a pleasant note. Let's hope that the same applies also to the meeting that concluded on Friday, but we'll still wait for the concrete outcomes. One wonders if Omar Abdullah is going to be there for the next meeting when it takes place. Thanks very much, all gentlemen, for having joined me on the national debate.